Local news for Monday the 2nd of March. Power was cut Friday night after a vehicle hit a power pole just north of Masterton. Emergency services were called to the scene at about 20 past 10 on Friday night. Power was quickly restored to residents with the pole replaced on Saturday. And Greytown's Hamish Hammond has finished second for the second year in a row at the Young Farmer of the Year competition held in Central Hawke's Bay over the weekend. The 29-year-old is a contract milker in Greytown, and he says while he's disappointed to have come second, he likes competing, learning and farming. Moving March is underway. Greater Wellington, in partnership with local councils, is inviting schools and their whānau to get involved and get active on their way to school for the month of March. Walking, biking and scooting to school can can help increase independence, physical and mental health, decision-making and road safety skills for our tamariki. And the third and final Wairarapa Children's Triathlon will take place tonight. Held at Wairarapa College, 500 plus kids are expected to take part. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.